children. Today we are going to learn about adverbs. You have already learned adjectives as well as adverbs. Okay, what are adverbs? Adverbs, verbs, the word verbs is there. So it modifies, giving some information about the verb as well as the adjective. Let's learn what are adjectives. There are 4 types of adverbs. Let's see what are they. Adverbs. Definition. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverbs may be divided into the following classes according to their meaning. According to the meaning, it is divided into these parts. Adverbs of manner. This shows how and which manner, which way the action is done. They only modifies verbs. They are placed after the verb or after the object. Let's see. Many adverbs of course ending in ly. Example, the child slept soundly. Soundly. She runs quickly. Now, these are the adverbs of manner, how and which manner they are doing it. The child of course slept soundly and runs quickly. How and what manner they are doing it. That is the adverb of manner. Then adverb of time. Of course, the word time describe you what is it about. And time tells us when a certain action is done. They modify verbs and answer the question when, because we have to tell the time. I have heard this before. Before, that when, before. Then we shall now begin to work. Adverb of time, of course, when the action has done. I have heard this before. Before, that's the adverb of time. We shall now begin to work. Now, the adverb of time, and I have used the color in order to that you can understand. When, before, when, now. That is the adverb of time. Then adverb of place. With the word place, of course, you know what is it about. The place tells where the action is done. Place. They answer the questions where. They are placed right after the verb. The verb gallop here and the object in purple color. Of the verb, if there is one object. If there is one object, sometimes it's after the verb and sometimes after the object. The first one, the horse galloped away. Now, gallop away, the verb is gallop. The place, away, where. I have used colors in order to make you understand. Then, my pet dog followed me everywhere. Me here is the object. My pet dog followed me everywhere. Me, the object. Then, very important, adverbs of frequency. That how often the action is done. This can be placed at the beginning or the starting of nouns, or at the end or the middle. You can find at the beginning, end or the middle, that between subject and verb. So, I have used the colors in order to make you understand. See the example. Usually I wear smart casual. Now the person is wearing smart casual usually. The word that before the noun I, usually, that is the adverbs of frequency. How often the person wears smart casual? Usually. Then he comes unprepared rarely. Rarely at the end of the end of the sentence, that he comes how often? Rarely. Now normally he comes unprepared rarely, not often. So rarely, the adverb of frequency. Third one, he always tries to do his work. He always, that is between subject and verb. I have used the color middle, between the subject he and the verb tries. Now you see the word always used there at the midpoint, middle between subject and verb. Subject is the he and the verb is tries, always. He always tries to do his work. That is the adverb of frequency. Now remember it, we can use at the beginning of the sentence before the subject or the noun I. Here the I is the subject or noun usually. Now starting point, I wear smart casual. Now ask the question, how often does he wear smart casual? Usually. Okay. Then he comes unprepared rarely. How often does he come unprepared? Rarely. Then he always tries to do his work. How often does he try to do his work? Always. Right. Now you understand what is it. Then adverbs of degree or quantity. They show the degree or the intensity of the action. They answer to the question how much or what degree. They are used to modify verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. We are completely against harassing the children. We are completely, that how much, in which degree they are against harassing the children? Completely. So you get that answer. Okay. Underline the adverbs in these sentences. I have done it. You can find the words they modify with green color. You can easily learn, the verb is learn. How? Easily. You can easily learn this language. The dog eyed the biscuit hungrily. How? Hungrily. Eyed the biscuit? Hungrily. Then the tortoise walked slowly. In which manner? How? Slowly. Slowly what? Doing? Walking. That walk. Then the fourth one. She spoke politely to the manager. She spoke politely. How? In which manner? Politely. What did she do? Spoke. Now the verb spoke is describing with the adverb politely. Ginny ate her food quickly. How? Quickly. What did Ginny do? Ate. Ate the food quickly. Now describe the verb ate with the adverb quickly. Okay, now I am sure you understand the lesson. Let's go to the comprehension on your grammar book. Turn to page 60. Turn to page 60. In the focus part, form adverbs from the following adjectives. Sweet. What should be the adverb of sweet? Most adverbs are ending in ly. You may have learned. Yes, sweetly. Then the second word, careful. Carefully, adding ly. Then happy. Happily. There should you omit y. Happily, then add I for y, happily. Then fourth one, cheap, cheaply. Then the fifth one, quick, quickly. Sixth one, slow, slowly. Good. As you know that we don't say goodly, that is well. Then eighth one, hard, hardly. Yes, hard. Then practice stage in page 61. Both the sisters dance. The word is given beautiful. The dance how? Beautifully. F-U-L-L-Y, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L-L-Y, beautifully. She was crying. Second one, she was crying bitterly. I saw them waving at me cheerfully. The last time we met, we had chatted endlessly. Without ending, endlessly. How? Chatted endlessly. The clown smiled playfully. The clown smiled playfully. Okay, for the extension part, you may have different things. Sometimes the same word used as adjectives as well as adverb. You have to find out what are the adjectives and what are the adverbs. For adjectives, you have to mention adj, and for the adverbs, adv. It is better to understand the adjectives. Of course, adjectives modifies nouns. You have already learned, and adverbs of course modifies, describe about the verbs. I had late lunch. Now the lunch is the noun. They are describing the noun. So late here is the adjective. Why? Because it describes about the lunch. Then the second part of the first question, he slept late and missed the bus. Slept, that is the verb. So when it is the verb describing late, here late should be adverbs. Why? It is describing the verb slept. Then this metal is too hard. So it is adverb. We need something softer. Then he is working hard. How working? Working hard. So adverb, to finish his work on time. To finish his work on time. So this metal is too hard. we need something softer. The metal is so hard. Hard metal, that's the adjective, and here working hard, adverb. Third one, Ria is reading her daily horoscope. Horoscope, the noun, so describing about the horoscope, daily horoscope, so it is an adjective. Then Ria reads her horoscope daily. Daily, doing what? Reads. So the verb reads is describing, so daily is the adverb there. These friendly people are our neighbors. Friendly people. Describe about the people. That's the noun, describing the noun. So friendly here is the adjective, friendly people. Now you think that it is ending in ly only the adverbs, but here used as the adjective in this part. You have to remember it. Then our neighbors are very friendly. Neighbors are very friendly. That is the action of them. So it is the adverb. Then the lovely girl sitting next to me is my daughter. The lovely girl. Now describing the noun girl, lovely girl. So lovely used as the adjective here. The flowers are lovely. Which are lovely? The flowers. So it is used as the adverb describing about the nature of flowers. So are lovely. Then Anurid fell on the slippery floor. Slippery floor. Floor is the noun. So describing about what type of floor? Slippery floor. So slippery has become the adjective. Why? Because it is describing the noun floor. Be careful, the floor is slippery. So be careful. When you are walking, of course, the floor is slippery. So it is used as the adverb. Now let's go to the next page. Of course, that's adverb of frequency. Circle the correct option. Now, will you please read the first part? Adverbs of frequency describe how often. I told you. We usually use adverbs of frequency with verbs in the simple present to talk about how often actions are repeated. The answer for the question when and how often. I always take a bus to school. I never miss the bus. Sometimes you miss the school bus, sometimes for the absent letters, of course, you may mention that you missed the school bus because you got up late. Okay. Circle the correct option. Unfortunately, hurricanes are hitting the US cities most frequently than they used to. So, more than, the word than is there. So, more frequently. There you have to use the comparative degree. More frequently. Second one, she writes children's books more regular than she writes for adults. Now see, the comparative than is there for the two answers, but you have to think about, can you say regular? No. So, more regularly. So, circle that word. I take the train more oftener than I take the bus to visit my grandma. So, I take the train more often Then I take the bus to visit my grandma. Fourth one, these hens lay their eggs more regularly, most regularly in the barn than those silly ducks do. They lay them anywhere they like, unlike the ducks. The hens, of course, they lay their eggs. So, the comparative degree should be there, than the word than is there. So, more regularly. So, let us check it again. Unfortunately, hurricanes are hitting the US cities more frequently than they used to. She writes children's book more regularly than she writes for adults. I take the train more often than I take the bus to visit my grandma. These hens lay their eggs more regularly in the barn than those silly ducks do. They lay them anywhere they like. Okay, now you have to continue with practice and extension part. In practice, you have to mention whether they are adverbs, those are manner or frequency. Mention whether they are the adverbs of manner or adverbs of frequency in the place provided. Now, study the lesson again and do those part. Even in the extension part, you have to rewrite the sentence by placing the adverbs of frequency correctly in the given sentence. Now, the adverb is given. Rarely, often, always, usually, sometimes. You have to put them in the correct places. I think you learn about adverbs and do the comprehension given in the book, and let's continue our lesson next day. Thank you, children. Goodbye.